Okay, it is the 24th. It's Thursday, and we're up here on the mountain. It's been a brownout all night. Just yesterday, our new power source came from Shopee, the converter for the Starlink. So even though the power's browned out here, no power, we got our battery, and we've got our Starlink still functional. And we're going to go see the pig pen over here, the Babui house. And Tata and the Green Mountain boys are doing some building over here, right?
Yeah.
The Green Mountain
They are
men.
at the back.
So since Tata is there, we'll call them the Green Mountain men. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. When are the Babui going to give birth? When are they going to farrow?
Next month, May.
And we're going to buy 2 of them? Gotta watch out for snakes here, because I did see a cobra over here. So people ask about the forage here, and this is a high protein legume here, the peanut plant. And then there's another one here, an annual, called the, this is just a bean vine. These bean vines grow wild all over the Philippines. They're hot.
Because the baboy need water always.
Yeah, they need maybe a sprayer on top. Psst, spray them, cool them down. Do they do that here in the Philippines? Yeah, maybe they need a sprayer.
Extension. No.
Good.
Good.
You need to make a methane digester now so we can save the methane and use it to make electricity. Good.
Good.
Let's see what Tata is doing.
This is what Christian built yesterday. The door
This is what he built in the house. We saw that.
from scrap.
Yeah, nice. Now looks like he did a good job, but I really don't like those 6013 rods. They're so soft. Actually, what they are is brittle.
Ay, bilang ko.
All right, Karen.
Here at the back.
Here, I'll take over. You can explain. All right. So people get tired of hearing me talk. They want to.
James saw this nails here. Extension of our house here, guys, at the back. We are fixing. This is the Green Mountain boy that we.
You got one over there on the hog pen too.
Yeah,
The Green Mountain men.
Yeah, a lot of nails.
Many nails.
This is the advantage of building from native materials.
Yeah.
It takes only like 4 years, 5 years if bamboo.
Yeah, it lasts 4 or 5 years, but it's a lot simpler, a lot easier. It's cool too because if you use the native materials for the roof, it doesn't absorb the heat.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit?
Yeah.
Nice.
Extension. Let's go here, Jim. Yeah. Maaga na kami sa
Yeah, let's go over here and get a good view of it.
There's electricity now, James.
Okay, so we can put our battery back on charge. Charge all our other batteries up. So that's native construction here, guys. It has a lot of advantages. It has a lot of advantages over the way we do it. We're doing it with the concrete. Number one, you don't need a permit to do native construction. Tatai's got all of his roof panels already built over here. The plywood. How do you say that? Plywood? Okay. Nice. Simple.
This
And
is how we build a wall using sliced bamboo.
And if
This
people
is the bed. This is the bed.
a native bed construction. Nice.
Yeah, it's old already.
Very old. So if people want to move to the Philippines and they want to try it out,
Yeah.
they buy a piece of land that's agriculturally zoned. There's no rules against doing it this way, guys.
No
Permit, no permit, no nothing. That native construction is totally allowable.
Yeah. He's young, but he know already how to build.
Yeah, the Green Mountain Boys know how to survive. All right.
Let's check our Wi-Fi games. There's already show them.
Yeah, we'll talk about that. So we were gonna order the chickies are all happy this morning. We were gonna order from Amazon, but the shipping fees were too high, and we did order some parts from Amazon that we couldn't source from Shopee. I didn't know which ones were the equivalent. So we bought this. This one right here. This is a power converter, and oh, it's hot. It's a power converter, DC to DC converter from DC 12 to 57 for the Starlink, and it's got the same plug-in as the Starlink, and it's marketed as a stand-in for the Generation 3 Starlink power supply, and it's worked great. It's online, no problem. So the power's back on now. We'll put our battery on charge. We don't have any solar panels yet. We just have the battery. This is the battery we used for the incubator, but the chicks are hatched. And we haven't put another batch in. Huh?
We will charge that.
Yes,
also.
we'll charge it right now, just in case.
Yeah.
Because we're
We need to
uploading.
switch now.
Yep, you need to switch power supplies. So plug this one in, and then I'll switch it right now.
Alright, guys. So this is the plywood or the native roof that we are using for the extension of our house there. So we have a lot here. Tatay made this a long time ago already. So it's much better to use if it's dry than fresh leaves, guys, because sometimes if fresh, there's a lot of bugs that eat the leaves. Unlike it's dry that you can you are confident to put them. So we are here at the back. My father and my neighbor. So it's much better, guys, when you are using this native roof, because it serves like a cooler to our house, because it's not hot compared to the metal one that we have here. It's much better than having this at the back, so that you can sleep here, for example noon, if you can endure already the hot inside, because last night we have brownout and there's no electric fan. James and I just prefer to open the window so that the air can go inside, because we're struggling.
Oh no!
The brownout here always in the province. So this is what they are doing. Our kitchen is also there, guys, and it takes 10 years before this native house broke. Here. What's that, Skylar?
My toy.
Did you throw that toy? Did you
No.
throw here? Because this area, guys, before we throw everything that we are not using here, then Skylar is here to pick up his old toys.
Beep, beep, beep.
So we are using this for wall, and I want to show you guys our first TV that we have here in the province. This is my our TV that I am always watching cartoons before when I was a kid. So it's not working now, and our TV is flat screen already. So I wish this TV still they can still fix this, because for me is this kind of TV is much durable compared to nowadays TV. Mainit ng hapon. Say it, James.
Mainit mahapon.
Ay, so they already put the roof here, guys, in our extension. It's done already, so they are going to put the floor using the bamboo as well, and the last is the wall. So we're gonna show you soon, guys, what it looks like. And also later when we come back here, we're gonna show you also the pig pen.
Pig pen, and look, guys, that's the plywood that Tatai's put on the roof over there. He made all those on the back porch for like, how long did he take? 3 weeks? He made, like up here, like he made for the garage.
Yeah, like for the garage.
The storage barn here for the shed, I guess you call it, for the rice mill and the motorcycle.
Thresher.
Yeah, thresher.
Yeah. So we're going to church now, guys. Let's go. The Christian use the string.
All right. Well, we've got this pear tree here, guys, and the birds are having a feast.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
This is what we call tambis here.
Look like little pears.
Yeah, tastes like pears
You hear
too.
the birds?
Yeah. Oh, they like it. Oh.
Yeah, they sure do. They're throwing them at us.
Yeah, they like it. It's sweet. Beautiful, no? Color pink.
Oh, there's all kinds of birds up there, different types.
They're eating that.
Wow, we gotta have one of these trees to bring all these birds in. Pretty cool.
So we are here in church, guys, because I submit already all of the requirements needed for our church wedding here in Saint Raphael the Archangel. I submit the baptismal certificate and our marriage certificate. That's the only papers that they ask. So our target is May 26, guys, but unfortunately the Monday I won't I don't know that Monday is a day of a priest. That's why we changed it to Tuesday instead. You're okay with Tuesday?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, let's go.
Kaya?
Does that string feed on its own?
What?
Is the string feeding on its own?
Yeah.
Excellent. Better than the metal blade, yeah?
Yeah, the metal blade is better but dangerous.
Too dangerous.
Yeah,
Hospital bills cost a lot of money.
yeah,
And you can't buy new eyes yet.
yeah.
Maybe the eye of the babui, I don't know. Good. More power. All right. Good job. So we still got to fill in this carabao waller here. Here. Whoop. There she is. Did you give Roxy some babui today?
Rice, James.
Rice?
Only
Oh, no,
rice.
no. She got to have protein, Tom. All right.
But the problem, James, is the grass cutter is
Two cycle oil?
yeah, and now what do you call that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Well, what's the problem?
Consume of the gasoline of Dana is so fast.
It uses the gasoline fast? Oh. Well, that's because the gas tank's too small. Well, what's the ratio you're mixing the two cycle oil? How much you putting in there? 35 to 1?
Yeah.
Okay. On my Husqvarna saws, it's 50 to 1.
I need a carburetor for
You can. It's not smoking. It's not smoking right now. You can turn the high jet needle in, but if you turn it in too far, it might overspeed or smoke the or melt the piston. Too lean. You want to lean it out. It's running pretty good, Ton. I don't think I'd mess with it. If you lean it too much, it's going to get hot and then melt. Do you know how to set a carburetor like that for the high jet needle? You go to full throttle, turn it in until it starts to detonate, and then twist it out a little bit, about a quarter turn.
the idle and the IRE. Like that.
Well, the idle is one thing, but the high jet needle is the one we're talking about, because most of the time that's running full throttle. So there's three needles. The needle for the idle, and then there's the needle for the high jet and the needle for the low jet. The high jet needle is the one we're concerned with. If you think it's burning rich and it's burning too much fuel, you can try and reset it. They're usually set for sea level. I mean, I would just turn it in until it sputters, and then back it off until you can kind of tell what sounds like too lean is. I got an ear for it because I've done it a lot. But you don't want it detonating and running hot, but you don't want it running so rich it fouls everything up either. Alright, she sure likes running that grass trimmer. So they got some lots sold over here. That fence there is the boundaries of one of the lots that's been sold. The owner she just let us walk out here and with the survey man and pick our own lot. I guess that's what she's doing with the other folks too. There's one there that looks kind of like a pretty small lot, but that's nice. Anywhere on these two hills is a nice spot. You done already? No gasolina? Alright. You have fun doing that? Isn't it in it?
Init.
In it. Okay.
Maybe this is this is the iron, maybe. Iron.
The high jet?
Maybe.
I don't know, Tom. It might be hidden under this cover. Huh.
Air cleaner, I guess.
It's running good, Ton. To tell the truth, I'd just leave it be. If it works, don't mess with it.
Dapat ada yang high ka magat Homesteading.
Mamit
Manamit nga. Hindi baka yung gasolina ito na Ay parang hindi pang bayad gitu.
Kay James. James, give Kuya later ha.
Give Kuya what?
Later money.
5,500. 1,200.
1, 2, 3. Looks like a room. Good finish in there. The finish is good. You could live under there. It's cooler than living in the house. The house is in it. It looks good. Okay. No space. All right. Oh, things are moving along nice. Karen really loves that string trimmer. I don't think she's going to get off it for a while. There we go. What happened, buddy? You're soused. Your bottle's empty. Oh, come here, King. Oh, that's so cute. Come here, buddy. Oh, sorry, King. Sorry, Roxy. He's barking at me. It's okay, Rox. I won't hurt King. Hi, King. Oh, your eyes are opening. Hi, King. It's good boy. You a good-looking little fella, huh? Yeah. There you go. Oh, that's cute. There you go. There you go, King. We make your mom nervous. She's so nervous over there. Look at her. All right. Boy, I can turn the fan on, huh? Cool down. There you go. There goes the fan. Okay. He looks good, huh? Yeah. You're looking good, little guy. You're looking good. Oh, he's yawning. What's this? What's this? Okay. Good boy. Good boy, King. King's a good boy. All right. Well, he's turned out to be quite. Oh, you got some dirt on your little tongue. Got some dirt there. Get rid of that. Yeah, it's nasty. There's that leaf. All right. There we go, guys. The little dogs are looking good. The other one's under there, jeering somewhere. The brown and white. Where's your brother? What'd you do with him? He's okay. I saw him under there earlier somewhere.
What did you do? Who flooded this? Who flooded this?
Tom left the water running, which gave me an idea to let them play in the muck.
You or Christian?
Christian.
Weh.
Was Christian did it.
Wow, they're happy because there's a water now.
Yeah.
Kung may akong tangkong iyaton ho nga. So, di pagtambak eh.
Well, the WASA will probably send us a 10,000 peso bill now.
I don't pay them.
You won't pay them. They'll turn our water off.
Wow, they like the water.
The water? You made a pond here, a pond for the geese.
Oh, like,
Yeah. I figured I'd just let them play in
Do
there
you
for
like-
a while and make them happy. Yeah.
Roxy also drinks there.
You want James? Bonnie and Clyde.
Yeah. They are eating the grass here. Wow, they like the water and the grass here. They're happy now.
Yeah.
Bonnie and Clyde.
Turn Tom's mistake into a very positive thing. The geese get to have some fresh water to play in. There you go, guys. We take care of you. Bonnie and Clyde. They're cute, aren't they, Karen?
Yeah.
I always like the things. They're fairly intelligent. If you you do them a favor once in a while, they kind of remember. Yeah.
So everyone, this is our CR, master's bedroom CR already, guys. And oh my God, what is that?
I don't know. What was that?
Ay, sounds bad. What do you think?
Looks good.
Looks good. White, we prefer white, guys, because it's easy to see the dirt and you can easily clean it. And it's bright also.
Yeah, that's the best part.
Yeah, it's bright. Let's say, where's your shower? So you're happy now that you have showers soon?
Oh yeah.
For almost 11 months here in Philippines without any hot shower.
There's one thing I worry about.
What?
How do they know that's actually sealed? You know what I'm saying?
Why?
What if there's a leak?
There's a leak? I don't know.
You can get a sledgehammer.
Ouchie!
We're gonna
Oh!
have to buy some more tiles. Yeah.
Yeah, you will buy more tiles then. This is only 45 pesos though. You can buy more.
You can buy a Coke Zero for 45 pesos.
It's a zero. Too much zero na. You should spend the money in our tiles.
We should spend the money breaking tiles and buying new ones?
Yeah, that's our goal for today's video. Char. I'm just teasing James, guys. It's not true. So we're happy, guys, that they deliver already our mahogany frame. What do you think?
Looks good.
Looks good. It's
All right.
worth it.
You're gonna mow the grass or something?
All of the money that we spend is worth it.
Yeah, I mean, it would have been better spent on a Nipa hut up in the mountains. And
That always changing, like what we are doing earlier there in the
we
mountain.
could have bought a really good drone for all the money we spent on this house.
Drone? What kind of drone you want? Like helicopter?
Yeah, a helicopter drone.
Oh, phew. So I called James inside of our Nipa hut, guys, because I cannot. It's so difficult for me, guys, to what do you call that? Start.
Go ahead, put it on.
You do it. You do it na. Earlier, guys, I tried, but this part goes to my feet here.
You broke your foot?
Yeah, it's so painful. It hit my bones. Roxy, help us, be.
I'm not sure what the start protocol is on this thing.
You just like this
On my
one.
chainsaw, it's choke, pull, 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 pop.
This one?
Unchoke, pull, pop. Choke again, pull, pop, unchoke, pull. It starts.
How about that one? Ay, difficult no?
Well, that was a surprise. That wasn't what I was expecting.
Ay, why you turned off? Come here outside. Come here outside, be. Ay, bilangguan ka.
Just what does that mean, Karen?
Zing, ging, 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 ging. Ay! Di! Don't put in your neck! Don't put in your neck!
What if we use this engine to make a drone? The air flux, Karen.
Yeah! Wait lang.
All right. Full power. Full throttle.
I need to, ano, it's very long.
Karen, when you run it at full throttle. Oh! Chick, 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 chick. How you doing, guys? Did you miss me? All the little chickens.